So if the clients see it in our chair and the clients love it and really good and supporting us and want everything and willing to pay for it, you know, hey, why not? So I am going to using neutral weaver gels I have. So as I say, you can skip this completely step. I just want to add it on so then you can see what is you can able to do. So simple when you're getting this, the little stick, I stick it together, the toothpick or whatever you call it, and like sometimes you can find it, like I think it's longer when they're doing it for the barbecues, I guess. But anyway, you can use this and tape it with the Scotch tape, and you can tape 4 of them together to make 4s like stripe like this. You can do 5, 6, or 1 or 2, whatever you want. So flash here for 30 seconds. And this is one of the colors. This is I got from my box, but I know a lot of you all get several different colors.